Yo Tech Tigers. Today's video is different. It's loud, it's explosive, and yeah, it's made just for you. Especially for you Sony diehards out there. You know who you are. The ones whose hearts start racing the second Sony drops something new. The ones who still have a working Walkman in a drawer somewhere. The ones who argue in comment sections that Sony sensors beat everyone else's. This one's for you. So picture this, a phone that's not just for calls, texts, and TikTok. A real monster. A camera that makes DSLR owners question their life choices. And performance so stupidly fast that even future games won't stand a chance. If you've ever wanted a true DSLR killer smartphone, do not scroll away. Do not skip. Watch this whole video, because today, we're breaking down the most anticipated smartphone on the planet. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark VIII. That's right, the Xperia 1 Mark VIII is coming to wreck the market. And based on the leaks, this thing is coming for every flagship out there. Samsung, Apple, Google, OnePlus, none of them are safe. Let's go. Design and display. First look, this phone steals your heart. No question, Sony didn't cut corners. Premium matte glass that doesn't turn into a fingerprint magnet. Aerospace-grade aluminum frame that feels solid but not heavy. Curves that actually fit your hand, not like those giant bricks other companies make. You pick it up and go, okay. This feels expensive, because it is, and it should, but the display, that's where the magic happens. We're talking a 6.6-inch 4K HDR OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. And this isn't just any OLED. This is Sony's Bravia tech, the same stuff from their legendary TVs that cost more than your rent. PUBG, Call of Duty, Netflix, everything looks buttery smooth and straight up cinematic. Over 4500 nits peak brightness, so sunlight isn't a problem. Infinite contrast, colors that pop but stay accurate. Camera setup, now the camera, the thing Sony fans have been begging for. The thing everyone else sleeps on. And this time, Sony came to play. No excuses. The Xperia 1 Mark VIII packs a brand new 50-megapixel XMOR-T sensor. And this isn't some basic sensor that sounds good on paper but disappoints in real life. This is the same tech from Sony's professional alpha cameras, the ones actual photographers use to shoot weddings, wildlife, and sports. Night shots, almost no noise, colors explode like fireworks, details will genuinely freak you out. This sensor turns every shot into a masterpiece, day or night, rain or shine, indoors or out. But hold on, we're just getting started. The ultra-wide lens, massive upgrade. 48 megapixels, 120-degree field of view. Group photos, skyscrapers, landscapes, concert crowds, from edge to center, everything looks sharp and natural. Telephoto, Sony threw in a 12-megapixel periscope lens with 10x optical zoom and 50x AI enhanced zoom. Your subject is far away, an animal on a safari, an artist on a dark stage, your kid at a school play from the back row. Zoom in, you'll see every hair, every detail, every tiny expression, crystal clear. Then there's Sony's secret weapon, real-time eye autofocus and object tracking. Locks onto eyes like a laser, humans, dogs, cats, birds, even race cars. Selfie lovers, 32-megapixel front camera with autofocus and 4K video. Taking selfies is about to feel like a professional photo shoot in your pocket. Performance. Okay, performance. Let's be real. This phone looks like a gentle giant. Sleek, classy, understated. But performance? It's a straight-up lion. A hungry one. Under the hood is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, the most powerful mobile processor on planet Earth right now. Not one of the most powerful. The most powerful. 3nm architecture. Faster, cooler, more efficient than anything else on the market. You buy this phone today, it'll still feel lightning fast 3 or 4 years from now. Maybe longer. Heavy gaming, easy. Like, embarrassingly easy. 8K video editing, no sweat. Your old phone would be on fire right now, literally. Paired with 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. Multitasking feels like magic. Apps open before you finish tapping. Files transfer in seconds. Zero lag, zero stutter, zero frustration, and Android 16 with Sony's clean, bloatware-free interface. No duplicate apps, no annoying ads. Battery and charging. Now battery. Flagships usually mess this up. You know the drill, amazing screen, powerful chip, and then a battery that dies by 3 p.m. But Sony, they actually cooked here. A 5000 mAh monster. Charge it once. Use it all day. A full day of 5G browsing, social media, and gaming without breaking a sweat. Low on juice. 50-watt fast charging gets you from 0 to 50% in 20 minutes. That's it. That's faster than you can finish your coffee. And yeah, 15-watt wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. Let's talk features. The stuff most leaks forget. The stuff that doesn't fit into a spec sheet bullet point. This is what makes the phone special. This is why you buy Sony instead of Samsung. Vapor chamber cooling 3rd general. Sony's had cooling before, every flagship does, but this is their biggest vapor chamber yet, nearly 4,000 square millimeters of pure thermal management. You game for hours on COD Mobile, Genshin Impact, or the latest racing games. The phone stays cool, no throttling, no frame drops, no stutter, even while charging and recording at the same time. Gamers, this is for you. Your fingers will thank you. DSLR Ultimate 3.0 and audio split. Sony literally owns the audio industry. They make professional studio headphones. They make high-end receivers. DSLR Ultimate 3.0 uses AI to remaster your music in real time. That crusty 128 kilobits per second MP3 you downloaded from LimeWire back in 2005. Sounds like it was recorded in a professional studio yesterday. And audio split, with wireless earbuds, you can listen to 2 different audio sources at once. Game sounds in one ear, a phone call in the other, podcast in one ear, GPS navigation in the other, music in one ear, a video script in the other. Yeah, that's wild. No other phone does this. Satellite messaging, no signal, no problem. Deep forest, high mountain, middle of the ocean on a boat, middle of the desert on a road trip. This phone connects directly to satellites for 2-way text messaging. Not just an SOS button that says help. Full texting. You can tell someone exactly where you are and what you need. 4K 120fps HDR video recording. Last year, only the main lens could do 4K 120fps. This year, ultra-wide and telephoto lenses can do it too. With Dolby Vision, slow motion with HDR colors. Your videos will look straight out of a movie theater. Seriously. This is a game changer. You can switch between all 3 lenses while recording in 4K slow motion. Sony Music Pro app comes pre-installed. AI-powered mixing and mastering, right on your phone. No laptop, no expensive studio software, no audio engineering degree required. You played guitar and sang in your bedroom. Seriously, this alone is worth hundreds of dollars in software. Security and connectivity. Fingerprint sensor is built into the power button, faster than ever. Under 0.2 seconds. You barely touch it and you're in. Face unlock works in complete darkness with a 3D depth sensor, no more raise brightness nonsense. Wi-Fi 7 support, only a handful of phones on the planet have this. Bluetooth 5.4 for lossless audio streaming. And USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 that can output 4K at 60 FPS directly to a TV or monitor. Price and launch date. So how much is all of this going to cost you? Leaks say $1,499 for the 12GB 256GB version. There might also be a 16GB 512GB version at $1,699. Yeah, not cheap. This isn't for someone looking for a budget phone. But here's the truth. Samsung charges $1,300 for the Galaxy S Ultra. Apple charges $1,200 for the Pro Max. Google charges $1,000 for the Pixel Pro. And none of them give you a 4K display, pro-level alpha camera tech, satellite messaging, and this kind of audio performance. So for what you're getting, it's actually fair, maybe even a bargain. But remember, these are leaks. Not the final price. Official announcement is still coming. Launch date, expect Sony to drop this beast globally in the next few months. Probably September or October. If you've been waiting for Sony to come back, start saving now. So Tech Tigers, what do you think? Is the Sony Xperia 1 Mark VIII on your radar? Or are you waiting for something else? Drop a comment.